How to change your goals on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open the app. In this way, the app will appear in front of you. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. How to change your goals on MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to move on the more option. Click here goals, and in this way you can change your goals, like I am writing this and edit it, and you can change your goals and write the workouts and your routine here, exercises, calories, your nutrition goals, your fitness goals, and the other your weight goals. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.